Our channel here is going to be a testing video, at least. I don't know if we have the parts to fix this one or not. We don't see very many of these coming for repairs. The PrimaShock 8, it's a one made for Premier 1. This is a Chinese made unit. The reason why I know that is because the company that makes these gets a hold of me about twice a year. Want to know if they could want to sell their stuff, and of course we're not really big on the selling side of things, but it looks just like this unit, except it has like a picture of an elephant on it, either right here or right here, a picture of an elephant on it. But it's made over in China somewhere, I believe. But they're pretty slick unit. I'm going to take it apart here in a second, but it's a dual powered, I believe. It runs off of AC or DC. These aren't sealed units. If you run on 12 volt, you're going to want to have to protect it from the weather. There's our AC adapter. We're going to plug it in, and I'm going to test it first to make sure it actually puts out right power. It says it should be putting out 12 volt. So let's plug it in real quick, and then we'll test this here and make sure it's putting out 12 volt. Uh-oh, it ain't putting out. So maybe that's what our problem is. Well, let me see if I've got another power adapter here that will work with it. Got one here, but I think it's too. I think this is a 24 volt one. I think it's the right end on it. Yeah, it plugged right in there, but I think this is a 24 volt. Yeah, this is 24 volt. This one is for a totally different unit. It'll plug in and it probably burn something up. And another one here. This is a 12 volt, 1.5 amp. What size was theirs? 12 volt, 2 amp. This is 1.5 amp. What's the draw? 330 milliamp draw. So 1.5 should be plenty, because this draws in from 150 to 330 milliamp, which is 0.15 amp to 0.33 amp. So this one should technically work, but let's plug this into the wall real quick. We'll test this and make sure it puts out right. 12.43, so this is working fine. Let's plug this into the side of the case here. Goes. That's all it was. Let's turn this off. I think he said unplug it. Okay, there's turn it off. This is pretty slick. I do like it, even though it's a made in China thing. I do like this thing, because I've messed with one like this before. It was from over there in China. You got these different features in there. It tells you what it's doing. So it says 12.4 volts, what's coming into it, because it's the AC adapter. Turns on 120 volts and then 12 something volts. It tells you that. So right now it's off. It's like standby. Also has a little sensor right there for daytime, nighttime setting, like a photo sensor. So right now it's on. Pulses every 1.5 seconds at 12,000 volts. I think that's the full power, what that full circle is. Yep, there's half power. So it drops down around 8,000 volts on half power. Pushed arrow over here to go up. That's like daytime save or something. Let's see if it, cover our finger up, see if it slows down or not. Same speed. So let's go to the moon. See, now it's every 2.5 seconds, so I guess it pulls it slower at night. Or slower during the day, because right now it's light in the room. So let's cover this up. Oh, it didn't change, huh? So nighttime it pulls every 2.5 seconds, probably to conserve battery. So whenever, if you have a 12-volt system with a solar panel and everything, you can slow the pulse down so it's not drawing as much, pulsing as often. It's still full power, 12,000 volts coming out of it. There's one strictly on battery with no solar panel on there. 8,000 volts, so basically it's at lowest power output at low power or half power at 8,000 volts at 2.5 seconds. And there's back to being off again. But let's take the knobs off here. Let's plug this in here real quick. I'll hook up our fence tester to it and see if it's actually putting out 12,000 volts. Must be. Maxing the meter out. So I'll see if it does it on half power. So it shows 8,000. I'm maxing about a little over 9,000. This one I'm going to call done. Basically, I just need a new AC adapter for it. Come on. Alright, well, thanks for checking out our channel here, our videos. Another one of our videos. You go to our website, which is fencerfixer.com. There's links in the description area below. Hit the thumbs up button, tell your friends about us. Until next time, we'll see you later on.